Hello my beautiful people, how's everybody doing? I'm feeling very zen, very calm and like relaxed and ready for blow drying. I feel like my arms are ready. So I mean, I only showed this side because this is the side I'm going to be using to blow dry. I am a right-handed, in case you're wondering. I just want to say hello to my new subscribers. If we have reached 5,000, congratulations to you and helping me reach 5,000. I wouldn't have been here without you, and obviously then the road is to 10,000, right? If we haven't, can we please get there? Like, I feel like we've been here like for a year now, and I feel like we should be able to reach 5k before 2020 ends, right? I have faith in you, lots of faith in you. So in today's video we are going to be blow drying my hair, and I'm going to be using the Revlon, I don't know what they call it. We're just gonna be using this blow dryer. I love this. I like the fact that it has bristles and the bristles are soft, and you can basically change it up here. It only has from 0 to cool air, and then warm air, and then really hot air. You guys know how blow dryers work by now, right? So my hair is freshly washed. I think to moisturize, and I know some of y'all are going to be like, Tshidi, are you going to be using a heat protector? If yes, which one? No, I won't be using a heat protector because I don't know which heat protector to use, because my oils have like jojoba oil, and jojoba oil is one of those oils that basically protect your hair from the sun, UV rays, and it protects it from heat. So I'm assuming I should be fine, and I don't really blow dry my hair as frequently as other people maybe, so I only blow dry my hair maybe once or twice a year. I think what we are going to get to see with this is my length, and if my ends more than anything need a trim, but I think we should be good. And then yeah, so I'm just going to use a leave-in conditioner. I'm going to be using my Afro Sense. I'll be ordering more of this. It's almost finished. I absolutely love this, unless I find another product that I love more than this one. But so far I absolutely love this sulfate-free leave-in conditioner by Afro Sense with argan and rosemary oil. Absolutely love this shit. Just beep that. So then, and then just to start off, how I'm gonna blow dry, I'm gonna use a wide tooth comb just to slightly detangle, and then I'm gonna go in with this. My hair, I already finger detangled my hair, so obviously this process, because I'm blow drying my hair, I will lose a lot of hair, so do not be alarmed when I show you guys the amount of hair that I lost. Obviously I'm trying to blow dry my hair using this. However, if your hair is nice and detangled, you shouldn't be losing that much hair. And if your hair is nice and strong because you've been doing your deep conditioners and you've been moisturizing, right, then you should be good to go. Then I think that's about it. That's all I got for you guys. So without any further ado, let us get right into today's video. So I'm starting on freshly washed hair using my Afro Sense leave-in conditioner, some oils, and I'm just going to massage that into my hair and just really prep my hair for what it's about to go through. How often do you guys blow dry your hair? Please let me know in the comment section, and then please like finger detangle if you need to. Then use your wide tooth comb. Be gentle and very patient with your hair, guys. Please, I cannot beg you guys enough. Do not rush this process. Completely surrender to the process, okay? And then I'm going to always start, if you're going to be using any kind of tool, always start at the ends and then slowly work your way up. Again, cannot stress enough, please be gentle, be patient, because this process is a bit rough on your hair. All right, don't forget to tell me how often you guys blow dry your hair. So I this is how long my hair is. Yes, do you like it? I like it. Do you guys like my hair? Yes, Spice Girl. Anyway, so this is how my hair looks when it is stretched. Let me just show you. Because my hair is very much freshly washed, and it's like in its happy state right now, it's gonna look very happy on camera also, because it very much is. Miss Luna's happy. Do you see that? She is shining. She is also, again, I used these two products because I have low porosity hair. So if I decide to use like a heavy leave-in conditioner, my hair will actually start to also shrink up. But because these are super lightweight, my hair should be able to stay straight for a very long time, as long as I don't get water on it. However, I don't like my hair in this state. I prefer it like this than like this. So I thought I should come back in front of the camera to show you how far I am. So far my hair is feeling hella fluffy, and you guys can tell the shine is there. And for those that keep asking me if my hair is pitch black, yes, it's pitch black from the roots to the ends. I know some people's hair at the end maybe like a deep brunette or deep dark brown, but my hair is just completely just pitch black. So this is my hair right now and this is what we got. I don't like blow drying my hair because of that reason. It takes too much time, and the minute my hair touches, like even if somebody decides to miss the air or something, my hair will shrink. So I don't know. I mean, it's nice. I am not gonna lie. It's nice. I like my hair like this. I like my hair in almost every state, but I don't think this is the state I like it the most. Only because it's hard to maintain this kind of hair. Like stretched hair is kind of hard to maintain. For me. I'm not saying other people. For me. Okay? However, my hair is looking nice and healthy so far. I don't think I have ends that I gotta trim. Everything kind of looks nice and even. And the last time I trimmed was sometime before June, so I think I'm actually still very much good to go. Also, the other thing, my hair will probably also still shrink up because I didn't really straighten my roots completely, because I don't feel like I want to do that. The most important thing for me was just to see the health of my hair. The shedding I'm receiving is actually not from my hair specifically, but it's from the ends, you know. Like, let me show you. Let me just grab a random hair to show you. 4C hair has this habit of just making a ball at the end, right? So when I blow dry it, it's just blow drying those little pieces. I don't even know how to explain it, y'all, but it's blow drying these pieces. As soon as, yeah, there, it's blow drying that out. So I don't really have like, okay, let me just do this to show you guys. That's how much hair I'm losing. Do you see that? This is less hair compared to me finger detangling. So if you start your process right, make sure that you finger detangle, thoroughly finger detangle. I promise you, you will not be losing as much hair. Also, again, work with small sections so that you don't have to put too much effort into like blow drying your hair. Your hair is heavy. Okay, for me, my hair is heavy. It's a lot. It's thick. It takes forever to dry. Especially when I have to blow dry. So for me, working with smaller sections, my hair can dry quicker and it gets stretched out a bit more than if I took a bigger section. And this is what I got. You know what I mean? This is what I'm talking about. This is respect for C. Okay? Jeez. Like, do you see what I'm talking? Do you see this? Do you? Oh! Respect me and my hair. What do you even mean? I feel like I look glamorous and then I look crazy. Glamorous. Crazy. Look at the baby hairs. Wilding. I have reviewed this brush in a separate video. I'll link it up for you guys to watch. In this specific video, I just want to show you guys the state in which my hair is in. The health, the length, the everything, moisture, you know, just to see the strength, yonki ndonje, my ends. And just to see how far I have done. There's lots of room for improvement, but this is what we are kind of ending the year with. And because I mean, it's November now. Okay, this is how I blow dry my hair, and you guys saw that not using heavy products actually helps. My hair will probably remain shiny and moisturized for the next 2-3 days, and yeah, and then I'll have to moisturize. However, do you guys like my hair? It's like a lot. It's a lot. I've got a lot of hair. I'm realizing it now. I've got a lot of hair, but I feel like I want more. You know, have you ever yeah, you guys know, because you guys want your hair to grow, so you guys know what I'm talking about. So I want more thicker hair, longer, healthier hair more than anything. It's my everyday, like, that's what I pray for. Also, that's the other thing, guys. Like when I was starting my natural hair journey, there was this one chick that said that she would pray for her hair. So maybe also just pray for your hair. You will never know, you know what I mean? But anyway, this is how I look. I feel like my facial structure has changed. I feel like, oof. I feel young when with my hair up, and I feel old with my hair down. I look mature. I look like I run a business. But anyway, this is what we have, like. And yeah, guys, this is also, that's the other thing I mentioned when I had my hair in half, when like this one side was still shrunken, is that I don't really stretch out my roots too much. Like, if you guys can tell, like, let me try to zoom in. My roots are still very much curly and not completely straight. I don't do that because I don't want to do that. So my hair, because so once I put this blow dryer away, after 10-20 minutes, my hair will shrink. Just ignore Lola. My hair will probably shrink up just a tiny bit because the roots are gonna spring back. All right, right now they're still warm and stuff, but soon it's gonna start to shrink back because I didn't stretch out my roots, so they are still a little bit tiny bit wet. But I'm not trying to get my hair to be super thin. Not thin. I almost said skinny. I almost said thin, skinny. I don't know what else I was gonna say, but what I'm trying to say is I didn't want my hair to be that straight because I'm going into protective styling. It's not necessary for it to be that straight. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye for now.